Today we are going to look at 都. 都 has two meanings. In this lesson, we will focus on 都 one, which means or both. 小明和小月都是大学生，我们都喜欢学汉语，这些菜都很好吃。So 都 one means there's no exception in a given scope. Everything or everyone in this scope has one common point. Keep this diagram in mind because it will help you to understand 都 a lot. Today's lesson has 4 parts. Now let's look at them one by one. The most challenging part of 都 is the location in a sentence. 我们明天坐飞机去上海。We can put 都 here, here, or even here. They are all correct. Then, what's the difference? They have the same scope, but different common points. 我们都明天坐飞机去上海，只有小明后天坐飞机去上海。Common point, 明天。我们明天都坐飞机去上海，只有小明明天坐火车去上海。Common point, 坐飞机。我们明天坐飞机都去上海，只有小明明天坐飞机去北京。Common point, 去上海。We put 都 right ahead of the common point. In other words, the content right behind the 都 is the common point. More examples. 孩子们都在教室里看书，只有小明在图书馆里看书。Common point, 在教室。孩子们在教室里都看书，只有小明在玩手机。Common point, 看书。我们都明天去图书馆，只有小明后天去图书馆。我们明天都去图书馆，只有小明去电影院。Part 2, 都不 versus 不都。我们不是美国人。We can put 都 here or here. They are both correct. Again, what's the difference? 我们都不是美国人。都不 is a complete negation, which indicates none or neither within the scope. None of us is American. 我们不都是美国人。不都 is a partial negation, which indicates within the scope, not all. 谁不是美国人？小明不是，他是中国人。More examples. 我们明天都不去看电影。Complete negation. 我们明天不都去看电影。Partial negation. 谁不去看电影？小丽和小明不去。小丽去游泳，小明去打篮球。What about another negation adverb, 没 Same rule. 孩子们昨天都没来上课。孩子们昨天没都来上课。谁没来？小丽和小明没来，他们生病了。Part 3, Object Fronting. 你喜欢吃什么中国菜？你都喜欢吃什么中国菜？ If we put 都 in a question, we expect the answer will be more than one, and we want to know all of them. Also, it's usually not the first question in a conversation. 你喜欢吃中国菜吗？喜欢。你都喜欢吃什么中国菜？我都喜欢饺子、包子和面条。Why? Why is it wrong? It's a common mistake of dough. Let's retake a look at this diagram. Where is the scope in this sentence? 饺子、包子和面条 Object. Where is the common point? 喜欢 The scope should be in front of the dough, and the common point should be behind the dough. So in this case, we should front the object, move the object to the front. 饺子、包子和面条我都喜欢。More examples. 今天是你第一天上学，你准备好了吗？我准备好了。你都带了什么去学校？笔、书和词典我都带了。放假了，你想做什么？我想去旅游。你都想去哪儿？上海、北京，我都想去。Last part, singular and plural. Let's take a look at a common mistake. 他们都是我的老师们。Why is it wrong? The diagram shows that people or things in this scope have a common point. So, scope should be plural, while the common point should be singular. Therefore, we need a singular here. However, 们 is a suffix of plural. What shall we do then? Yes, delete the 们。他们都是我的老师。Mini test. You can find the answer in the description or comments below. Thank you so much for watching. 再见。